welcome to my channel. I'm Julsz Tymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. You may know me as Miss Jules B, you may know me as Jules, or you may even know me as Tapia. And in today's video, let me tell y'all, a girl, a sis, a honey, a hunty, a wife, I'm jumping into the body care, fragrance, look good, smell good community, because guess what, your girl is on a whole new path, and I just want to explore that community because your girl has, you know, I've been collecting some fragrances, I've been gifted fragrances, I've bought fragrances, so let's just get into the tea, right? So this fragrance is Ghost. I don't know if you can see it. It's Ghost, so it's Sweetheart by Ghost. So where do I begin? I was gifted Sweetheart by Ghost by one of my best friends as a wonderful present. You know, as Jamaicans, we just love smelling good, right? So she bought it for me as a gift, and I looked and I was like, wow, this looks really cute. Like, it kept, listen, this at one point was full. It was full, right? And I've used it, right? Listen, it's empty. It is actually empty. I've used all of it. So it was gifted to me, and ever since I've sprayed Sweetheart by Ghost, I have been in love ever since. Like, it's one of my favorite fragrance. It's just fresh, it's crisp, it's very light. Like, it doesn't smell, it doesn't have a strong fragrance, so it's not overpowering, but when you spray it on your body and when you step into a place, people will be asking you, what are you wearing? Because I remember one time I stepped into a cab. Well, you don't step into a cab, but I got into a cab one day going to church, and when I was leaving the cab, the Uber driver lady says, what are you wearing? And obviously this is a Elida toilet, so they say that Elida toilets don't last as long as Elida perfume. Obviously, I know I'm pronouncing those wrong. Do not come for me, okay? But this has longevity. Is that the word? It has longevity, because a sis left her house, got in a cab, made a whole 20-minute journey, right? And I was still smelling strong. Like, the scent just lingered on me. I don't know if it's because I had a nice sexy shower, then I lotioned my body, then I sprayed. But trust me on this, you need to get this bad boy here, okay? This baby girl, the Sweetheart by Ghost. If you don't have it, then what are you saying? So let's get into some specifics, obviously, a little bit of specifics. Because I don't, you gotta know the good goods and the good goods, okay? So the first thing is, Sweetheart by Ghost was first launched in 2008. I found out about it in 2020, right? So it was launched quite a long time ago, but it still stands. Like, it's such an amazing spray. The second thing I have to say is the affordability. Honey, if you're on a budget, you can get this perfume, right? So it starts from $16.99 and it goes all the way to about £40, depending on the size. So let's talk about the size a little bit. There goes my pretty cat. Hi London, how you doing, girl? Let's talk about the size a little bit. So you can get it in 30 ml, 50 ml, or 75 ml. Obviously, the bigger the bottle, the more the cost, right? But I would say to you, it's definitely worth it, because baby, the smell that you will be smelling, you're gonna walk in the room and you're gonna, ooh, she smells good. It's a very feminine fragrance. I'm not saying that men can't wear it, but it doesn't have that masculine whiff to it. It's more like a, to me, it reminds me, if I was meant to choose a season, it kind of reminds me of spring. Like, hello, I'm here, hi, fresh air, fresh off, that freshness is really, really fresh. But it's got a nice floral tone to it. I think that's how you say it. So, nice floral tone to it. You can smell like a little zesty. It's just nice, guys. you need to get it. You need to get it. Like, if you're on a budget, this is the perfect fragrance to start off with. So this is a 30 ml. So that's what I got gifted, and I finished it. To be honest as well, it lasts very long in terms of when you spray it, it's not going to get wasted, because I've had this for about 2 years, and this just finished, I would say either the end of last year or the beginning of this year. So it does last really, really, really long. And then, so that's the 30 ml, and I loved it so much, I went and I bought myself, I believe this one is, oh, so this one is the 50 ml, right? And I've had this for a few months now, and look, I've still got so much left. So it's definitely worth it, guys, right? Now, let me give you more specifics. Where can you buy Sweetheart? So I believe it's retailed in the fragrance shop. It's also retailed in the perfume shop. It's retailed in Boots. You can also get it from Amazon. So if you just type it in online, you'll see all the distributors. Believe you me, Ghost knew what he was doing when he created this fragrance. This fragrance is everything. It's the fragrance notes within Sweetheart by Ghost: woody, white flower, pineapple, spicy mint, and lemon. So those are the fragrance notes. So I don't know what comes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. I don't know the order of it, but that is the fragrance notes collectively. So if you are a fan of any of those kind of notes, if you like a bit of citrusy, fresh, mixed with a woody texture, not texture because there's no texture in fragrance, but you know what I mean. If you're a bit of that kind of girl, then definitely go to your local Superdrugs, Boots, fragrance shop, the perfume shop, and get you one of these bad boys. I would say to definitely test it out first, get a little whiff, see if you like it, but trust me, it's definitely worth buying. It's affordable, it smells delectable. Like, honestly, it smells like something you could eat. It really does. And it makes you feel like you're that girl. Like, you walk in the room feeling like, I have arrived, like the bad bee is here. So when you should wear this fragrance, or where you should wear this fragrance, I've got 3 special places for you to wear it. So I would suggest meetings, because when you step into the room, people are going to be like, ooh, who is that? People will want to listen to you. People will stand still because you'll smell so clean, crisp, and fresh, right? The second place you can wear it to is, you know, your date nights. Because you don't want, if you and babe are like snuggling or kissing, you don't want your perfume to be too overbearing. So it's just enough perfume to be like, she smells good, but it's not too much to be like, oh my gosh, I can't go near her because, you know. And the third place I would suggest to wear it to, when you go to brunch. What better occasion, what better event than brunching? Because girl, you're gonna look good, smell good, and everything are gonna set good. So those are my 3 places that I would suggest you wear Sweetheart to. Now, if you're not really the floral type or the feminine type of fragrance lover, then maybe it's not really for you. But if you like a fresh, crisp, nice, delicate, soft smelling perfume, then definitely check it out. I would also say to, before you buy it, go to the perfume shop or the fragrance shop and smell it. Test it out. Like, ask for a tester, because they definitely have it. Like, if they say no, they're lying. So definitely go and test it out. Let me know what your favorite fragrances are. Then I'll, you know, pop to the store and have a little good whiff around it, and then give you a little shout out as well. So this is my introduction video. Introductory video on the body care, self-care, fragrance community. I'm jumping in. If you're going for that kind of vibe for summer, I would suggest you get this. Get this and let me know if you like it. Let me know if you've tried it. What? Yeah, like, let's converse. Let's have a conversation in the comment section below. Let me know if you've ever tried Sweetheart by Ghost, or if you've ever tried any of Ghost fragrances, because Ghost was doing a thing. Like, I've got a few. You're gonna see my collection. Like, your girl has got a few. So this comes to the end of my video. If you have stayed all the way through to the end, then big up you, because this is definitely a new venture for me, and I know that I have not got everything to the T. No one's perfect. I'm gonna try though. I'm trying. So if you've got this far in this video, big up you. You see, you'll big up you. My name is Julsz Tymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. Tell your friend, your auntie, your uncle, tell everyone you know, especially if they like body care, fragrances. This is my new niche. Like, I'm coming. I have arrived. I am stepping on y'all next. Like, I'm here, baby. So yeah, just remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you shortly with another fragrance video. Give me ideas. Let me know what you want me to come up with next. If you want to see me with the men perfume, mist, like, just talk to your girl, okay? And I will do my very best to try and get those fragrances. But until next time, my jewels, have a lovely day. Stay blessed. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye.